name is Eugene. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Make sure you sign the sign-in sheet and grab the instruments.
Okay, where do I go? This way, that way? You go this way. Our section's right there. Okay. Thank you.
Today is the first day of band camp. All right? Yeah, you excited? This is the first step of an extraordinary journey that can lead you anywhere you want to take it. The process sometimes can be uncomfortable and challenging, but you got to push through that discomfort and that fatigue. Discipline builds habits, the habits that build character, and character builds success. All right? Magic happens in this room. The performance starts here. R, A, V, E, N, S, Ravens, C-R-H-S. That's the fight song. Try to get that to memory as soon as possible. It's not hard. So Greatness Creed, 1, 2, 3.
Greatness at Canton Ridge is never an accident. It is the result of consistent and intentional effort that is fueled by the desire and determination never to settle.
Stop. I got some people that's not even looking at it or even trying. And I got it on 2 screens. At least give an effort. That's unacceptable. Unacceptable. And if I let it slide now, you're going to continue to do it. That's not acceptable. Nobody. Being uncomfortable, that's where you grow. All right? I'm proud of the progress we made today. Tomorrow, it's going to be better. Okay? All right? I love you. There's nothing you can do about that. Be great. Who got the best band in the land?
Mr. Croft and Mr. Hawkins, they're always trying to get someone to their max potential. Like, if they see someone like not doing anything, like, but they know they can do so much better, they'll try to just push and push and push till they get to their potential. Freshman year, I didn't go fully throughout the band year because I was doing stuff, like I was doing bad stuff, and my mom took me out of band. I had to cope with like not being in band no more. That made me like think like if I want to be a part of this organization, I got to get my life together. This year, it's the first time I was actually like player in that section, leader. I think this year has been way harder because I was having to go to the hospital because my dad got bedridden, and then I had to go back to band camp the next day and try to lead. I feel like you can just put all your emotions through your horn.
Good afternoon. Next Thursday is our camp showcase. So invite your family, community, so they can see what we've been working on. Canton Ridge Band is not just a local band. We're bigger than that. Look around the room. Maybe this band can win one of those trophies. Starts here, and the habits that you build here will get you those.
Here's a proper introduction. My name is Eugene. I'm y'all's section leader. A lot of diversity, a sophomore, freshman, but we still finna put this work in. Horns up, one chorale. The emphasis is to listen across the section and blend together. The more together y'all sound, the more y'all sound is gonna travel and the more powerful it'll be. Okay? There's no individuals in a band. We're all one section, one unit, one sound. Okay? One chorale. 1, 2, ready, and. Does everybody know what that first note is? This sound. So everybody playing hold y'all's first note. Ready, and. Did y'all hear how the waves were there at the start, but then they weren't there when y'all just ended? It's because y'all started off out of tune, but y'all listened and adjusted and got in tune together. That was the entire point of that exercise.
Keep going.
try. You might as well just try. When y'all like get stuck, don't give up immediately. Like y'all still gotta try. Like don't just give up.
Say you may have like a C next to a B flat, right? You like, why is that C like so close to that note, right? That's because somebody else in the band has the root, and you may be playing like the ninth note of that chord. Even though it may look weird to you and it may not sound right within your section, is not like a true separation in that chord. It is a separation when the whole band is playing.
Yeah, so remember on those chants and everything, it's got to be enthusiastic, energetic. You got to get into it. But I shouldn't hear any individuals, right? Blend with your section, blend with the band, listen down to the tubas. Cut off together, start together, and then when we bring the horns up, it's down, down, up. All right, it's down, down, up. 1, 2, 3, ba ba da da ba da. 1 down, up, da da dee da ba dee da. You got it? Percussion, here we go. 1, 2, 1, ready, play. 1, 2, down.
Band like really brought out like another side of me I didn't know I had. When I first started band, I was really quiet. I didn't talk to anyone, and I didn't really know anyone. No one knew me, I didn't know them. I was really bad mentally, but you know, band made me get out the comfort zone. It made me meet new people. It made me realize my self-worth. I always asked them, like, would I be a good woman captain? My voice is really quiet, and they said the only thing you need to fix is like how strong your voice is. By the numbers, attention by the numbers, so I can see how y'all march, okay? I just say 1. I said I'm gonna do attention by the numbers so I can see how y'all march, okay?
Running in place until everyone is done, because everyone has to get to the end of the parade route. So we can't stop till we all get there. And we're not gonna be nasty about it, because someday you're gonna be tired, you're gonna be sick, you're gonna be hurt. Something gonna be going on for you. Let's go. Don't leave your fellow bandmates. We need leaders to sit here and try to push people in the back that's having a hard time. I come from a very poor background. I'm telling you right now, I should not be here. I should not be here. I should not be here, right? It's a blessing that I am here. It's through the blessing of that instrument and several people that cared about me very, very much that I'm standing here. So when I sit here and I do things for the band, or I do things for you and it seems extra, but I'm giving extra, it's because I genuinely love you and somebody did it for me. Greatness is not an accident. It is a decision to do more, to try harder. This is in any aspect of life, not just band. I need y'all to take ownership of your band and your future.
That was terrible. We barely got through any music. Look around. Like, literally, look around. Everybody in here is on the leadership team. Why? To help the band director. Y'all are the example. They should just look at y'all and know what to do. Right? Yes, sir. So act like it. It's gonna be $12.89. Before a band, I was really interested in basketball and like video games, like a normal kid would. But when music came along, it shifted everything. It gives me an outlet to freely express myself. It opens me up to new people, new opportunities, and it feels like a welcoming community to me. Like I fit right in.
This is the unveiling of the Cane Ridge Band. Every year is a different version. Opposing schools, rival schools here in Nashville, coming here just to see how we sound early on Thursday. They want us to fall off. We ain't going nowhere.
Band, attention! C-R-H-S!
There's no one section with with one person in it. So we should be able to have smooth, expressive phrases. Try it again.
Out. Out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Make sure you turn to your left.
Everything is earned, nothing is given. Greatness does not come easy. Success does not come easy.
Up. Down. Hey.
You getting the hang of it.
Today performance day, so make sure that we're focused, we locked in. The work that we put in is what you get out of it. So take that beyond this band room too. That goes into life. Effort, hard work, sweat, sometimes frustration. But you gotta keep going to that goal, to the end goal. And don't stop. We're about to go out now. So let's focus in, okay? Dig deep, perform, have fun.
Before music, I wasn't even thinking about college. Like, I feel like I might major in music or engineering, architecture. My main passion for going to college has been, I think if my dad was still here, he would be proud of what I accomplished with my section.
I remind them every single day how much I love them, because I wouldn't be me without them, you know? I wouldn't be woman captain if we had no womens.
I see this experience taking me to greater heights, because right now I want to be a band director.
Some of these students that you see behind you will be doctors, will be lawyers, will be teachers, will be everything that we can imagine and have positive contributions to our society.
Greatness at Cambridge is never an accident. It is the result of consistent and intentional effort that is fueled by the desire and determination, never to settle for the convenience of mediocrity, giving nothing less than 100% at the time. Therefore, greatness is not dependent upon chance, it's determined by choice. Do more, try harder, always be better than you were the day before.
So I want to leave you with that. Always be better than you were the day before. All right? Thank you for coming out.